Alright, YouTube world, we're going into the 3D printing dungeon. We got a lot of new things about to come. A couple new companies we're going to work with, and a bunch of new upgrades we're doing. We're also waiting for a new printer, so definitely stay tuned. I want to bring this printer over here and bring to your guys' attention something. So this is an Ender 3 S1, and I was having a ton of problems with it. As far as the outside, the bed was warping, so that there was a high spot in the center and low spots on the edges. And I had no choice but to do like this aluminum HVAC tape, as well as do this upgrade for the CR Touch. So if you guys are having that problem on the Ender 3 S1, definitely do it. I mean, I tried everything. Any more information you need, let me know. And again, as I said, we got some new products coming, some filament, and another company we're gonna work with doing the no clogger. So definitely like, subscribe, stay tuned. I want to make some room, so if anybody's interested in buying some printers, let me know. I got a couple Ender 3s all done up I want to get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's a Ender 3 Pro with a Sprite hot end on it. Then I want to get rid of this FL Sun QQS Pro. And then also this Ender 3, what is this, a Pro? No, this is an Ender 3 that I upgraded. It's got a 4.22 board in it. It's all done up. Anything you need, it's got it. With that being said, stay tuned. We will have a pretty neat 3D printer coming in, and filament, as well as more products. So stay tuned. We will be back.